Okay, we have Salunga. I'm sorry, these names, a lot of them are screen names in my opinion. Assalamu alaikum, Ustaz. But all the banks has interest when we do loans. You mean to say that this is haram to to take loans? I guess the questioner is the first time to know that taking loans and paying riba is haram. So if you can...
Yes, Akhi, this is an issue that all Muslims agree upon. Any loan that allows a profit on top of it is considered to be riba. And riba is usury. And it is one of the 7 major sins of Islam. And this was the doing of the Jews, as mentioned in the Quran. يَأْكُلُونَ السُّحْتَ. This is haram, money. So I give you 100, you give it back to me 110. And in America, they do this a lot, the loan sharks, and they're ready to bust your kneecap with a baseball bat if needed. There's no problem in that. This is riba. A loan is only permissible in Islam if it's interest-free. So you come to me as a good Muslim, a good brother, a cousin, a friend. Akhi, give me a loan of so much. And I said, okay. And you set a date for that. And that's it. I gain reward from Allah. Half of the loan that I gave you is considered as a sadaqah for myself if it comes on time. If it doesn't come on time, I get the full loan as charity in my books of good deeds. And if you postpone again after the second deadline, for every single day, I get exactly the same amount of the loan as charity. So there's no investment in the world that is equivalent to the system, the Islamic system.
جزاك الله خير شيخنا، بارك الله فيك.